In this tutorial, I will focus on this question: how do I start email marketing? This video provides an easy to follow step-by-step friendly guide for getting started with email marketing. So if you want to learn some effective email marketing strategies for your online business, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content, and I will then create more content for you. Thank you, let's start. I will start by telling you what email marketing is. Before diving into specifics, it's important to understand what email marketing is, an essential part of your marketing strategy to promote your business to customers on your email list. Email marketing can help you achieve several key objectives. It can attract new customers, since people new to your brand are more likely to submit an email address in a form than they are to commit to buying a product or service. This direct and digital marketing channel can be pivotal for your business, helping you build relationships with existing customers and staying on their minds between purchases. It can also be great for customer education and showcasing why your brand is the best choice for them, or boosting brand awareness with potential and existing customers. Fortunately, email marketing makes it possible to do all these things relatively inexpensively, since it is a very efficient way to reach a large audience. Here are some easy to follow steps for an effective email marketing strategy. Step number 1. Define your audience. If you want to reach customers through email, the first step is understanding who they are. Getting to know your customers is important because it allows you to create relevant content for your emails. What are your ideal customers' demographics? Consider things like age, location, gender, occupation, and interests. The better you understand your customers and who is most likely to be interested in your product or service, the more successful your email campaign will be. For example, if your company sells organic baby food, you may be able to narrow your target demographic to young working mothers interested in environmentally free products and nutrition. Teenage boys, on the other hand, are extremely unlikely to be interested in your product. Narrow your focus to make sure you're not targeting those who don't want to hear from you. If they are most likely to buy your product, they are the best audience for your email marketing. When you know your target audience, it means you understand their problems, needs, interests, and preferences. A deeper understanding of your customer makes it easy for you to segment them and based on various attributes. By tailoring content specifically to the interests and needs of your target audience, you can make sure they land on your site and increase the chance that they will convert to subscribers and even customers. When crafting any type of email or ad campaign directed at growing your email list, always keep the target audience's wants and needs in mind. This is the key bit of information that will help guide all of your marketing actions. There are a couple of big reasons why your target audience might change over time. Here are a few of them. You expanded. If you added new products, features, or services to your lineup, then there's a big chance you added new potential prospects as well. Your audience is too narrow. It's fine to start narrow, but as you grow your resources, you'll have more opportunities to broaden your horizons and reach for additional prospect pools. Your audience is too broad. On the opposite end, it's also possible you started too broad and now need to narrow in your focus using the data you've gathered along the way. Other possible reasons for a new target audience include tapping into demographics that you either didn't previously consider as a target, or realizing that certain people you thought would make good prospects are harder to convert than anticipated. In any case, it's always a good idea to regularly hit the drawing board with your target audience and evaluate whether a change is in order. The best way to define your target audience is to ask and answer some questions about who your brand is, what you're trying to achieve, and who you're currently having the most success connecting with. Analyze your products or services. Use reverse engineering to identify your target audience. Examine your product or services and pinpoint the specific problems it solves. Look around and find the people that are facing these problems. Exploring the characteristics of these people will give you a hint of who your target audience is or should be. Step number 2. Set email strategy goals. Setting goals means finding purpose behind each email, which can help you stay focused and avoid becoming spammy. Your goals should be measurable and help you decide how you'll assess your overall results. Determine your goals by thinking about the needs of your business. For example, if you have an influx of new members from a successful social media campaign, you may want to create an email marketing campaign with a goal of welcoming them and helping them get accustomed to your website, product, or subscription service. Any email marketing goals that you set for yourself or your department should be SMART goals, meaning they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. It's not enough to simply say that you want to improve your email click-through rate. This is extremely vague and leaves a lot to the imagination. When you tell your team that their overall objective is to improve your organization's email CTR, they don't know how they should do it or where their focus should be. It's also impossible to gauge success when there are no numbers or dates in place. Identify your purpose and audience. Before setting SMART goals for your email marketing campaign, it's imperative that you consider both the purpose of your efforts as well as your audience. When determining the purpose of your email campaign, you may want to ask yourself questions like, what is it that you want to achieve for your organization with email marketing? What is the overall goal of the campaign? How does this campaign align with my organization's high-level business objectives? As a marketer, all of your efforts will typically tie back to your organization's most obvious goal, to generate revenue. Working backward from this broad, high-level goal, you can pinpoint what needs to happen as a result of your campaign to get there. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Next, you should consider what metrics are you trying to improve upon? How much do these metrics need to improve in order to meet your organization's business objectives? When does this need to happen? It's also important to identify your target audience before setting your email marketing goals. Your specific goals and metrics that you'll track will differ depending on the segment of your subscribers that you are targeting. Certain metrics are easier to improve upon with email segmentation since your content will be more relevant to the recipient. Ask yourself questions like, who are your email subscribers? Which segment of your subscribers are you targeting with this campaign? Where are your subscribers reading your emails, desktop or mobile? Now that you've determined the purpose of your email campaign as well as your audience, you're ready to identify the specific key performance indicators, KPIs, that you would like to improve upon. Step number 3, choose an email marketing platform. A good email marketing platform will help you accomplish the goals you've set for your campaigns. It enables you to streamline the process of sending out emails and assessing the effectiveness of your marketing campaign. It makes the process very straightforward and allows you to have everything in one place. In choosing a platform, you'll want to be sure that it's powerful enough for the scale you want and that you'll have the level of support you need. You'll also want to determine which features are important for your business. You can read reviews of popular email marketing platforms to find one that works for a business like yours. Here I suggest taking 4 steps to define what your business needs from an email marketing platform. Step 1. Define the key requirements for your email marketing platform for your business, whether you need transactional as well as marketing emails, and map out how you can link it with your other sources of customer data. Step 2. Work out the volumes of emails you are likely to send. Step 3. Consider the technical features and benefits the system will need to meet your objectives so you can shortlist platforms that might be suitable. Step 4. Review how easy it will be to use those platforms day to day so you have a full understanding of costs and resource required before making a final decision. Determine your must-have features. Before you dig into any app descriptions, make a list of the features you must have to meet your email marketing goals. You might keep an eye out for features like A and B testing. A and B testing is the tactic of sending out 2 versions of an email with one different component and comparing their performance. If you focus heavily on email optimization, you'll want an app with A and B testing capabilities. HTML editing. Some email apps let you edit an email's HTML directly while others don't. You'll want to check for HTML editing if you plan on editing your email's code. Template variety. If you prefer to use templates to design your emails, you might want an app with a solid template library. You'll have more options to choose from when you need to create a new email layout or look. Automation. Automation is an especially important feature for drip email creators, but it also applies to functions like audience segmentation. Make sure your chosen app automates repetitive tasks either on its own or through Zapier. Industry-specific features. Some email apps focus on one industry to provide specialized features. For example, since Drip is geared geared towards e-commerce brands, you can link it to specific products in your store. See if you find any apps with features tailored to your industry that could be a game changer. Email volume. Many apps scale their pricing based on the number of emails a customer sends out. If you have a large contact list or send emails often, make sure your app will scale with you at a price that works for your business. Customer service. This isn't quite a feature, but it's still super important. If you value good customer service for your software, check a review site like G2 to see what people say about an app's customer support. Step number 4. Determine the campaign type to use. Your email marketing campaign should have one specific call to action, CTA, for your customers. It should also include a coordinated set of targeted emails written to engage customers over a certain period of time. Determining your campaign type is important because you can focus on what will best reach the audience you've defined. Look at your goals as well as your audience as you decide on the type of email marketing campaign you want to launch. Make sure the CTA for your customers will help you accomplish your goals. Some campaign types include newsletter, promotional or announcement, re-engagement, content or blog updates, and autoresponders like welcome emails, transactional emails, and more. For example, if you think your audience wants to feel a sense of community from your business, a newsletter can be a great way to keep them engaged and updated. Email campaigns vary, and trying to decide between them can be overwhelming. Do you send a weekly newsletter? Should you send out new product announcements? Which blog posts are worth sharing? The answer is subjective. You can start by learning about the types of email campaigns, then decide which is best for your audience. You should also set up different lists for different types of emails so customers and prospects can sign up for only the emails that are relevant to them. Make a schedule. Decide how often you plan to contact your list and inform your audience up front. This way they'll know exactly what to expect ahead of time. Forgetting this can lead to high unsubscribed lists and even get you in their spam. In addition, once you set a schedule, be consistent. It will build trust and ensure you stay on top of mind for your audience. Step number 5. Build an email list. As you build an email list, you are assembling your target audience. While it may seem like the easier route to take, it's important not to buy an email list. A purchased email list is likely to waste your time with prospects that are not part of your audience. The best way to build your email list is to take an organic approach. These are a few things you can use to organically build an email list. Existing email lists from your company, customer relationship management software, requests for new emails via social media or your website, and gated content and promotional offers. Make sure to reach out to customers to request their emails often so that it's easy for interested customers to give you their contact info. You want to make it as easy as possible for customers on your website or social media to opt into an email, like having a pop-up that offers a discount. Another way could be to have your chatbots on social media offer to take emails for promotions. It's important to make sure that the emails on your list are from customers who have opted in to your communications. If they have not opted in, do not put them on your list. Step number 6. Segment your list. Segment your email list by separating your customers into different groups. Creating these segments will allow you to customize the emails that you send, making it more likely that your customers will open and engage with your messages. When you're segmenting your email list, think about potential differences between your customers and how you can customize responses to them. Here are some potential email segments that you could create with examples of how they could be useful. Geography. If you're creating a newsletter about outreach efforts, you may want to distribute different newsletters depending on the locale of the people you're emailing. Demographics. You can customize the content and subject lines of your emails to appeal to different age groups. Past purchases. If you have customers who have purchased certain products on your website, you can send them promotions specifically for similar products. Buyer behavior. You can send more promotions to customers who respond well to them. Email engagement. If you have certain customers who engage very frequently with your emails, you can send them more regular emails without risking them unsubscribing. These segments should all fall within the goal of your email campaign to make it more efficient. Differentiating your customers can make all the difference for your campaign. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop develop your digital skills. Make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.